Hello, everybody, and welcome to Survive the Natural Disasters again. Now, if you don't remember last time, I actually said that I changed my skin. So that was that, and I think. Wait, the helicopter's flying. Bring me down there, I'll fly. Actually, the helicopter's not flying. Go on, go, go, go. Make it. I'm not gonna make it. Oh, I disappeared instead of disintegrating into smithereens. Anyways, go move back. Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm not actually dying, but let's watch this, shall we? There's like block man. Oh no, I fell! At least I have the balloon. My balloon disappeared. Oh, okay, I didn't lose it. At least somebody else a lot still on my shoulder. Okay, let's go. No! Draw in the middle. And then... Why are there so many crash sounds? My volume's all the way up and you can barely hear them. Like, listen. See, look, did you hear that? That was a meteor shower. Whoa, look at this guy. He looks cool. Jeez, that's cool. He looks like a cool guy. Okay, I changed my skin. I changed my Roblox character to make it look different, so I might change it again, cause well, I've literally changed it maybe 2 or 3 times in a row, but this might be the second or the third, so we might get into this game. I'm sorry, this is 1 minute of just waiting here, staying, and not doing any games, so just wait. Okay, high school. Do we all live in a school? Do we all live in a school? That's my question. Do we all live in a school? I'm gonna use my balloon. Balloon. It could be a tsunami. I'm gonna stay. Oh, hold on. Move. I'm gonna stay right over here, because if it's a tsunami, I could just use my balloon to float to the top. But if it's acid rain or something else dangerous, I'm gonna have to get inside. Fire, keep distance from the fire. I'm leaving the school. Bye. Okay, let's put Sir Meow-a-Lot. Meow, 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 meow. Okay. We can't step on the bottom dirt. We can only step this part of the dirt. Okay, where's the fire? I don't see no fire. Maybe I have to go to the back. I'm gonna check the back. See if there's any fire over there. Get there quicker. Oh gosh, the fire's on the roof. I want to be in this fire action. I just lost 1/4 of my health. Oh god, it's lagging a lot. There's too many players in the server. Or at least I think there is. Come on, come on, come on. Get to the top of the school. Hurry, it's coming. My character's not jumping with this balloon. He's not gliding. You know what? Oh! Ow! That hurt my feet a lot. It's really lagging a lot, so I might make another video today with Swagman 2017 2. Not the word 2, once again the number 2. But oh god, no. It was so laggy. It's so laggy you can't even move. What is up with this game right now? It is so laggy you can't even move. Jeez. This is so laggy you can't even move your character. It takes like, sometimes it doesn't take, I don't know. Wait, this is a new map. I don't know what the disaster is, so I'm just gonna stay under here. So if it's a tsunami, I could get to the top. I really want to get a tsunami in here. I mean, who else hasn't gotten this? I'm pretty sure it's a storm. Wait, is it gonna be a flood? Hopefully it's not a flood, cause it probably is a flood. I'm predicting it's a flood because the sky's not gray. I'm predicting it. Thunderstorm! The open or high ground places. Don't stand on the open or high ground places. Oh God! Ah! Lightning storm, move! It's gonna... Alright, use the car, drive! The car doesn't work! Oh God, it's coming this way. Get back, car. Okay, and now take a turn, car. Take a turn. This car can't take turns. It can't even go straight anymore. You know what? I'm out of this car. No, let me get out of that car. This game is the most laggiest game of natural disaster survival I have ever done. Oh no! No, 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 no. Ooh, buy some food while the storm's going on. That... No. Get these food samples. Food samples! Okay. Where are you gonna go? New York? No! I shouldn't be in higher ground. Move, guests! I survived. And I took damage at the same time. I hope the next disaster is a tsunami. I really want to get a tsunami in here. Literally, I really want to get a tsunami in here. Surf Central. Oh, I think I know. Hey, it stole my name. I'm Spring Bonnie Central. Surf Central. It's probably one of the floods. Hopefully it's not a tornado, because that would really suck. Okay. What is the disaster? It's a storm, I can obviously tell. What is it, a flood? I'm gonna stay here to make sure if it's acid rain. No, I'm gonna stay inside. It's a sandstorm! Seek shelter! Go somewhere where there's no windows. I'm predicting it's a sandstorm, guys. Yup. Oh no, it's a blizzard! It's supposed to be a really hot day, but instead it's a really cold, freezing night. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Where did you guys go? Okay, I'm alone and scared. Ah! Okay, I'm alone and scared. No! Exploded in smithereens. Anyways, I'm gonna fly up with my balloon. Oh, I can't even see where the map is and I got hurt. So, Meowsera, do you think that was enough for today? Even though we only played 3 games. Meow, 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 meow! He said it doesn't really matter since we're going to make another video with Swagman 2017. Maybe we'll make a video at 5 or 11 or 12. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.